Debt and inflation. Is the money printer back?
So one thing that Pomp had talked about, and frankly, what I'm hearing a lot of people like the guys at the All In podcast and all this stuff, and Scott Bessent, it seems like the Trump administration and Musk and Doge have waved the white flag. Getting through the federal bureaucracy to try to cut spending is a near impossibility at this point. America simply does not have the political willpower to say no and go back to the 2019 era spending amounts. So we are just full on steam ahead. Doge was only able to possibly cut around 190 billion rather than 1 trillion. And none of that really matters if it's not going to be codified into law by the Senate. So here's where we are. They're waving the white flag. They are about to pass the big, beautiful bill, which is, as Musk said, it can be either big or it can be beautiful, but I don't think it can be both. Basically, this means we are going to put about another 3 trillion, 4 trillion, possibly even up to $5 trillion in more debt onto the US balance sheet over the next decade with this bill. Not good. So that means inflation is going to come running back. And Scott Bessent, all these guys have come out and said, look, we need to grow our way out of this. So we've gone from tariffs are going to solve everything and we're going to do austerity measures and cut spending to no more cutting spending, tariffs are dropping, so we need to grow our way out of this. AKA, we are going to run this economy hot, which means inflation is going to come back, money printing is coming back, and we're going to get a repeat of the late 2020 and 2021 market much, much quicker because we're going to put a tidal wave of capital into place. We're going to fire this MFN money printer back up, which means that risk assets should really get rocking and rolling this year. So let's cover this. The money printer will send Bitcoin higher. The administration is making a significant pivot in their economic policy. We watched them shift from a focus on cutting government spending to an obsession with growth at all costs. That's a big deal.
Hey, this is Brett from Moonstream. If you'd like to learn more about our pro trading signals or our live classes every Wednesday or our Retire Rich program, go over to moonstream.io/start.